Okay, I had a friend who asked me if I could fix his. He has a custom rod that he had made years ago. It's a little spinning rod outfit, and what would happen is one of his eyelet ceramic rings fell out, and as you can see, it's all fixed now, and after I fixed it, I was like, yeah, I should have made a video of that. So, kind of backtracking. I looked online and I could not find. I found some that I weren't very impressed with, but so I thought I'd just go over it. This is what it used to look like. Right here, you can see that's the old one, and this is the new one. It's a little bigger, and the reason I thought that it would be helpful is because when I was doing it, they recommended that I used heat to basically get this hot, get it hot, and then the ceramic would slip in. Well, there's a couple reasons that didn't work, and that one was it's hot, so it's hard to get in there. And the other is it didn't expand, especially for that big of a, it's not that big to expand. So what I did is I made a cut, and I just took some snippers and snipped right there in the back of it, expanded it, put the ceramic in, and then I super glued it, and it turned out pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with it. I think he will be too, because he didn't expect much. I tell you, I didn't want him to think I was going to be able to fix it, but I'll tell you what, I think this provided a little more life. It beats the other thing I was going to do is cut this off and replace the whole eyelet, but that's kind of a pain. So it worked, and the main find was, of course, Amazon. They $9. Got like 12 sizes, and there's five each, 12 sizes. So that's pretty cool. I'll leave a link down there in the description. And for now, I'm gonna put a little wax on the on his connection piece because it's very loose right now. I just put a little wax on it, and that will hold it. Anyway, we all have our favorite rods. We can extend their life, and I have mine, and they always seem to catch more fish. So I understand why he, instead of throwing it away, he wanted to fix it, and I know he's going to be really happy. So, good deal. One more thing I wanted to show you is that same friend gave me this cool, it's like an antique oiler, and I think this is so cool, but he got it at a estate sale. It's probably 60 years old, but as you can see, it unscrews. You can has a little micro oiler on the top, and I don't know about you, but all the containers for oil nowadays leak, get all over your boat. And here we have an old thing that works. And I love these kind of things. And see, again, micro oiler cap comes off. I just love that. But old school. Sometimes you can't beat it.